Oof, guys, this is not looking good for Snowflake stock at all. This company reported earnings yesterday after the bell, and their stock is down almost 18% right now. That is a disaster. Let's break down what is going on, why their stock is falling, and what I'm doing. So they ended up doing 15 cents, and I believe adjusted EPS, which beat the 5 cents expected. All right, that's good. And revenue came in at $624 million, which beat the $608 million. So that's good. So you might be asking yourself, why is the stock falling? Well, first off, guys, the revenue growth rate is slowing down dramatically. They only grew 48%, but last year during the same time period they grew 85% year over year. Now that is a big drop in revenue growth. And what's really hurting them, in my opinion, guys, is the fact that their guidance is nowhere near the estimate for the next quarter on revenue. Look, they're expecting between 620 to 625 million versus the 649 million. So I guess it's not like it's completely out of the ballpark, but analysts were expecting a lot higher revenue, and the growth is coming down even more. They're now expecting 33 to 34% revenue growth. And to make matters even worse, guys, look at that. Their loss widened year over year. They lost 225 million on the quarter. Last year, they lost 165 million. And I get it. They're a growing company. It makes sense. They're spending a lot of money, but the losses are widening. That's not a good sign.